Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another crypto video. Today we're talking about Bitcoin versus gold. Okay, so here we are on CoinMarketCap. This is a crypto website where you can come and explore all of the top cryptocurrencies. Pages and pages long. So there's thousands of tokens listed on here if you want to come and check it out. But I was just on here, exploring, thinking a little bit, and it got me thinking about Bitcoin versus gold. So we can see Bitcoin market cap is currently 202 billion. So I was like, Bitcoin is kind of an asset similar to gold. So let's open up Google, type in gold market cap. So this is from March 23rd, 2020. Gold's current market cap is around 9 trillion. I'm going to say $10,000 for one Bitcoin. Current market cap is 200 billion. So if Bitcoin were to catch up to gold, that would be a 45x. So if it caught up and they had a similar market cap, that would put Bitcoin at $450,000 per token, which is completely possible. That's not outside the realm of possibilities. Bitcoin is a scarce asset. There's only 21 million Bitcoins ever. It works. You can send it back and forth. It's safe. It's like the OG internet asset. It has everything it needs to become something similar to gold. So is $450,000 per Bitcoin unrealistic? Is $1 million per Bitcoin unrealistic? I personally don't think so. Not to mention that with gold, there's never a max supply. It's an always increasing supply. They can go to Alaska or wherever they find gold, just dig in the dirt and find some more gold and add to the supply. And they don't even know the true max supply of gold probably. It's kind of hard to calculate that. But Bitcoin, we know everything. Same with all these other tokens. We know the supplies. They have functioning blockchain. You can send the tokens back and forth. They have use cases. So I think anything is entirely possible. That's why I'm in crypto. That's why I'm doing experiments like buying $1 Bitcoin every day on my channel. And I also think some of these other tokens, there's gonna be some winners. You just gotta figure out which ones, which one is gonna be the next Amazon, or which one of these companies is gonna be the next Tesla. That's kind of the game, I think. It's all research, figuring out who's gonna pull it off. And there's thousands of these tokens to research. That's one thing you can do if you're looking for something like that. If you're not, you can probably play it more safe, invest in things like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This isn't financial advice though. Do your own research, do your own thing. I'm just saying my thoughts, how I feel about it. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might wear